Oh wow, I have so many clothes that are just cluttering up my space. Oh, and the shoes, like the blue ones. I haven't even worn them. I'll just take a picture and sold. Do you know how much money you have hanging in your closet? Start selling with just a few clicks.
Vicks Vapor Up gives long-lasting relief from a blocked nose and cough for up to 8 hours. So when a cough won't let you sleep, Vicks Vapor Up gives all-night relief.
Ngala mumadinasi ngabezile mudendeli balibathi yashelela kuhala makhala mbongo bongwale ngomama we imigogo delu yabalabala tuji tukusha igwargwar step 5 go back is that you tryna be fun they don't free man you want to touch man big boots abo obo unne mechikoba taruchi no matter and if you wanna wear what's some serious you know creme people and jet don't you miss sugar Mijelatika.
Yeah, kezo ndi msono wabo ndi DJ Khaphy Pro Studio Editing ngama tekolanda na mosentratoni. Riabaramba kulena tsini. Rikadhitori ndine nabone. Yeah, ngama tekolanda na mosi. Ndikadhitori samsono wabo bazdiva zoro DJ Khaphy Pro Studio Editing. Wanzero banabone ya maradhori na mosi. Rikotori kariro tomarito madinga anenga kao riazdivo rini hai ndi miritito na miritito inenga kayo vazivona zorini hai yodzudzanyeya miritito iyo ya ndi miritito ya mapiano ndiyo ine vakopfa yone zvazvino ndivanenda namosi rikadhito rini rikadhito varote auchaya musono wavo DJ Khaphy Pro Studio Editing ngama ndekwana na mosi kavala vaneni kamusindi hone vachiko jena zvazvino vari wana hane pala ka Facebook vari wana ka TikTok ya ndiune vangari bata hone zvazvino ngama ndekwana na mosi ndato raraho hane pa hune riko tamba dzenedzi dza mapiano ya kavatopfanga hindira
Better eat flu one side with mint lemon. Fights 9 symptoms of colds and flu day and night.
Using Shopify POS has really created that connected tissue from in-store and online. It's really seamless and easy.
The ability that Shopify gives us to basically link everything up makes the experience for the customer so much easier to shop.
Happy to pull up on you right now, baby, right now. Originally no be China, oh no be China. From today, I want the day where you day. Kilo day, say. You want the moon, babe, want the moon. Follow my sexy, come on, no, I'm out to no. We see the ball on lady, we can find where we go with the back. Shy your day all night, we don't get it problem, we just want. Even if I dey shy, plenty can go see the fool my side. Matter don't they scatter my mind. Fine girls don't they enter my hand. Mini skirt don't they enter my hand. Big bunda don't they enter my hand. Now one pop where I try, it do me like I dey contract. I will soon be like, you know say me I no go goodbye. Me I put on that, not to bend that. Me I like the bunda, baby soft the bunda. Me a pretender, not kupenda. Me a like the bunda, baby soft the bunda. Me a pretender, not kupenda. Me a like the bunda, baby soft the bunda. Me a pretender, not kupenda. Me a like the bunda, baby soft the bunda. She do me really wanna, till it I'm a player, just wanna be in a lot. She know they give me wahala. She love me steady, they drop my banana. Really wanna, till it I'm a player, just wanna be in a lot. She know they give me wahala. She love me steady, they drop my banana.
What is this? What is the size of your backside? Oh my god, I know if I try. It make the back up to pass slide. What is this? What is what? I want to die here. I want to shake it. This is my diet.
What do you want? Tell you now. I see go and wait to now. Vanna, come and shine. I go, I went now. Ufunuti, utigamba. From me, go good like night. When I'm on the yellow cast up, we are following the keeper. We are following the keeper. TFC, you know my corner. DVD, you know my dollar. Who can chop, you know I'm corner. And give my sugi, I keeper. Double a man, come on, I'm a hyena.
Say me and me so good, but surely no be puta. But she fuck me when she know they calm down. You make me want to dey cry anytime she ride on my cucumber. Take it flamigo, like Miss Flamigo. Yeah. But I know they scatter my eye. My fine head on the enter my eye. Mini skirt on the enter.
What do you say?
This filter tells you if you have yellow teeth. Colgate Optic White Purple Reveal instantly corrects the yellow tones for whiter teeth. Hello purple, hello shine.
He seems to be hurt. Ushabalala is having romance pizza. Get any 2 large pizzas for only $199.90 and add a 2-liter Pepsi for just 20 Rand. Romance Pizza, best value.
This used to be my favorite bag, but I haven't worn it for ages. I better sell it. Oh wow, I have so many clothes that are just cluttering up my space. This won't fit me anymore. This just isn't my color. Where did I get that? Oh, and the shoes, like the blue ones. I haven't even worn them. I'll just take a picture and sold. Do you know how much money you have hanging in your closet? Start selling with just a few clicks.
Milk doesn't have to make you feel bloated and uncomfortable. That's why there's Parmalat Easy Digest. It's easy to digest because it's lactose free, so there's no discomfort. Parmalat.
Yeah, kezo ndi msono wako ndi DJ Khaphy Pro Studio Editing. Nga madekona dona mose. Rinyago wona zori na michini. Ibvanga dzifiyo iyanga gai. Rikuzuwana zori ni michini iko jena nga hedzi ichibvanga hedzi noni. Sangamisi ache ono wabo DJ Khaphy Pro Studio Editing nga masiari ndadori nga madekwana man madekwana kuti nga month ane ngaka ya rapto rote ane paka DJ Khaphy Pro Studio Editing rune musiri rote ya ropadzenedzi nyimbo dza mapiano uri rikotova rikotecheresa zvauri na izvo zvithu zviyakunosvika vathu ni thungo dzote na ya rikozvivona uri kezvila rioni anepa ka YouTube zvikuchimbira zvavudi anepa ka YouTube radhovapo rava rote ka Instagram ya rikozvivona uri ka Instagram rihone risahangwe na ka YouTube rihone zotendo rini zvive live ndihune zva zvino rava hone hanepa husina nanga imwe ndira a DJ Khaphy Pro Studio Editing nga madekwana kuti nga manda rikatitori khabadzi peso.
Tooth sensitivity won't go away on its own. Treating sensitivity is a simple fix. Sensodyne Rapid Relief is an amazing toothpaste. It works fast and it's long-lasting. It just works.
Cybersecurity requires leadership and execution. CISSP's strategic leadership, guiding teams to anticipate threats. SSCP executes security operations in real time. Different roles, same mission. Because keeping infrastructure secure and running takes both strategy and execution. 2 standards, 2 paths. Be ready state. Always operational, always ready. Become an SSCP.
When a cough won't let you sleep, Vicks VapoRub gives all night relief.
It's 1987, and we are at war. This is gonna be fun.